Hello all traders, hope all is fine with you and doing well. I just want to update you on a new process that we're going to follow to present the daily trades using the price action algo trading system. We have started more than 3 years ago posting all trades that I'm taking with the students and global instructors on a daily basis when the market is open, and showing the application of PAAT system and how it works on the Babypips and our YouTube channels in the section of PAAT daily live trades and journal. And we have shown numerous examples of application of PAAT on the futures, CFDs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and options contracts, including explanation how the PAAT system works, which is in fact a trendline trading system of price action with the setups that are very simplified and is common to all price action trading systems, using the 3 macro, structural, and trading charts, and the filters that we apply to find the high probability trading areas, and the 5 algorithms that we follow to identify these high probability trades, mainly with setup T, C, and B. And you can find these in our websites, and also separate YouTube videos, including briefly our trading plan and our checklist before and during the market, and also journaling the results. We have shown how the PAAT system works and its application on all liquid tradable instruments, but since the preparation of all these videos on a daily basis is very time consuming for me while I'm trading multiple futures and CFD prop firms beside the multiple personal trading accounts on CFDs and options and US stocks, I decided to post the summary of these trades taken on a daily basis on the Babypips and Telegram and all social media groups of the Trading Drills Academy. But later during the weekend, I will summarize the results of all these futures and CFD trades taken during the weeks on a weekly basis every weekend. And this saves a lot of my times to focus on my trades and also address over 100 of the frequently asked questions that I received from our followers and students, and these are going to add more value to receive their answers and the frequently asked questions of our YouTube channel, and help them to become consistent and move on toward their career path to become a professional traders. Thanks for all your supports and feedbacks, and please let us know if you have any questions related to the trading so I can add to the database of our questions and start preparing these videos for you. So looking forward to receiving your questions and wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day and happy trading.